Here we have a studio microphone. It's Tonor microphone. It has a holding arm, has a membrane, has a microphone holder, as you can see, and here is a little instruction booklet. So let's start with the membrane. Membrane protects the microphone if you, for example, spit into it. So we have a holder with two springs that more or less dynamically holds the phone, so if it is resonating, it's not making noise. We have a phone, it's a USB phone. It's a very good thing that data conversion happens within the microphone. So here we have a holding arm and a holding clamp. So this clamp can be fixed to a table or desk, whatever you want to mount your phone on, and of course you can also easily remove the microphone and relocate it. So speaking about the microphone, the digital conversion that happens within the microphones is within the components that are very close to each other. So the digital data travels to your computer. So USB cable can be quite long. The only condition to use the USB cable is actually that it's not too long, that the data actually is received by the computer without any errors or so. As you can see, I have already extended the holding arm, and on the tip of the holding arm there is some kind of a screw that you have to fix the microphone holder on. You have to rotate the microphone holder on its axis, which you'll see that it is not always very easy, especially if you are doing this for the first time. But a good thing is that actually you don't have to do this very often. You have to do this just when you are assembling your phone, and this is when you are moving somewhere or something. You can also see that this cardboard box has some kind of padding in it that holds all the components of the microphone in place, and this is also a good thing if you are going to transport the microphone, so this prevents any kind of damage happening to the microphone. And I can see I have already fixed the microphone holder to the holding arm, and the next step is to put simply the microphone in the holding arm. The holder. The holder actually has some kind of clamp that you can press with your finger, and then it's actually even easier to insert it. So what's next? Then you can test, of course, your microphone. I wrote in the title that we are going to test it. Yes, we are testing it right now. Because the sound that you are hearing was recorded by this microphone that you are seeing being assembled. As you can see, you have to correctly set the strings, so they are actually held by all these hooks, and then there is not much else to do. Just stick your USB connector into the phone, and also mount this membrane to your phone. Mounting a membrane is tricky a little bit if you're doing it for the first time. Maybe it's not a bad idea to closely observe a small picture in the instruction booklet to see how they did it. You can fix it any way you want, but I figured it out that it's probably better to fix it as it is shown in the instruction booklet, because then it has a longer reach and you can easier cover the microphone. So you actually have to set it in front of your microphone. So as far as you can see, the microphone is being fully assembled. There are just a few final touches needed to get it working, and then of course you connect the USB cable plugged in your computer, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you like the video, and please press subscribe and like buttons. See you.